Hello Year 3 and welcome to our maths lesson on Thursday the 4th of February. We're going to start off by doing some subtraction within 20. So this is just to help you practice your subtraction facts and speed up. So you're going to need to use your place value knowledge, and if you need to, you can use some jottings to help you calculate. Choose your challenge, pause the video and see how you get on. I'll see you back in a moment. Well done. Right, let's show you the answers so you can see how you did. Hope they weren't too tricksy for you. One or two in there, but putting them round the opposite way makes you think a bit harder. But really great work. Check your answers. If you got them all right, fantastic. If you made one or two slips, just have a look and see if you can work out what it was that you did wrong. Okay, so now, today we are going to start looking at numbers to 1000, and we're going to be reading numbers to 1000 and looking at different representations of numbers. So today, to be successful, you need to be able to recognise the place value of digits in numbers and represent numbers in different ways. So let's have a look at these numbers. Now, can you say these numbers? So first of all, 472. Ooh, what do you notice about the words you're saying? Listen carefully. 395. Notice anything yet? Let's have a look at this one. 627. 716. So what do you notice about them? If you've got a grown-up with you, tell them. Otherwise, tell the screen. I'll be listening. Okay, so we've noticed that when we're talking about numbers with hundreds, we say so many hundred and then the rest of the number. So for this one, it would be 716. If we were looking at this number, we would say, let's use a different colour, 395. So today we're going to have a look at place value in the numbers and making sure that we can say the numbers correctly. Okay, so let's have a look then. How many pencils have we got here? Well, there's 500, 5 boxes of 100, that's 500. Then we've got 4 packs of 10 each, so that's 40. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pencils on their own, not in a pack at all. So that gives us 8 pencils there. So how many pencils are there all together? Well, we've tidied up a bit now, so we can see that there are 500 pencils in the boxes, in the 100 boxes. We've got 4 packs of 10 pencils each, which is 40, and we've got 8 pencils out on their own. And if we put those together, it gives us the number 548. So we say 548. So let's have a look at the next one, 548. So how many sweets now? 300, those in boxes, jars of 100. Then we've got 6 boxes with 10 in each one, So that's 60 and then 4 on their own, making a total of 364. So there are 364 sweets. Now, it's a bit confusing here because everything's all in a bit of a muddle. But if we tidy them up and put all the hundreds together and all the ones together, we can see here that we've got 6 jars with 100 in, so that's 600. We've got no jars with 10 in this example, and then we've got 5 on their own. So we say we've got 605. Notice that we've put a 0 in the middle because we've got no tens. We've still got 3 digits, but we need to put that 0 in as a placeholder. If we didn't have that 0, the number would look like 65, not 605. Now let's have a look at this number. What's the number here? 200, 50, 8. So put that all together and we've got 258. Oh, another one here where they're all muddled. Let's see if we can tidy them up a bit. Much easier to see now. So we've got how many hundreds? 3, that's right. How many tens? 4 tens. And how many ones? 7 ones. So they've made the number 347. Now, let's have a look at this one. We've got how many boxes with 100 pencils in each? So how many lots of 100 have we got? Well, we've got 10 boxes, so we've got 10 lots of 100, which is 1,000. So let's have a look. There are 10 hundreds. What does 1,000 look like? Well, if we look at it in Deans, we've got 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1,000 or 1,000, although we usually call it 1,000. You don't hear people calling it 1,000. So we can put all those together. So 10 hundreds equals 1,000, and if we put them all together, we end up with a Dean's block, which shows that 10 hundreds equals 1,000. Now let's have a look at your tasks for today. Great job. Now let's have a look at the tasks that we've got for you to do today. Everybody's tasks are similar, but they've just been simplified and extended to yellow and green and blue as well. But the tasks that you're going to need to do today are all similar. So for task 1, you need to write in digits or in numbers the number that each representation is showing. For task 2, you need to match the numerals on this side to the words on this side. So you'll need to draw a line with your pencil to match from over here. So 487 will match down to there. You need to match the others across to the correct numbers. And then for task 3, the number is given to you in words, and then you need to write the number in digits and also draw it for me. Can you show it? Can you represent that number in Deans? And remember, 100 is a nice square, large square. Tens are the sticks, and the ones are small squares. Have a go at that, see how you get on, and then I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to send your work in, and then tomorrow's lesson will be ready at 5 o'clock tomorrow. See you in the morning. Bye.